Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Enable location permission and background location for both Amazon Flex and Google Maps. Open your phone settings and tap Apps, then Permissions. Grant precise location and allow background activity for both apps. Next, set Google Maps as your default navigation app in Android settings before you start. This prevents the Flex app from forcibly opening its own directions. Finally, disable battery optimizations for both apps to keep GPS active during shifts and avoid sudden background shutdowns. Open Google Maps and start your route before you open the Amazon Flex app. Enter the delivery address and press Start so Maps has an active navigation session. Switch to the Amazon Flex app so it can track status while Maps provides guidance. Do not press any Flex navigation prompts that say Open Directions in Flex. Use split screen or quick switch gestures to monitor directions and Flex job updates without interrupting Google Maps navigation. Download offline maps for your delivery area to avoid data interruptions on the route. Open Google Maps, tap Offline Maps, and save the relevant city or neighborhood ahead of the shift. Keep a car charger rated at 2A and maintain at least 20% battery during shifts so navigation never quits. Follow the address and delivery notes in the Flex app while following Google Maps for turn-by-turn guidance. Update both apps before each shift and verify your phone mounts and audio are functioning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.